How to fix Uber driver app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if the Uber driver app is not working properly on your device. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the Uber driver app is fully updated. For this, you want to head over to your Play Store if you are on your Android device. If you are on iPhone, then you want to head over to App Store. Now search for Uber driver. If you find the update button here, simply tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once you update the app, any bugs in the application will be fixed. Then you simply want to tap on the open option and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is not fixed, the next thing you want to do is tap and hold on the Uber driver option. Now tap on this I button. Now your app info will open up. Here you want to scroll down and tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. After all the application's data has been deleted, open Uber Driver. Then you want to log into your account and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you can simply uninstall the application. Once you have uninstalled this, you can install it again. Then, once the reinstallation has been completed, open the app and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.